Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our mathematics class, and I hope all of you have understood the concept of HCF. And today we are going to discuss about the lowest common multiple. In short, it's called LCM. Although we have started in our last class little bit, so today we are going to discuss broadly. So let's see. So students, the LCM through listing the multiples we have discussed in our last class. So once we'll repeat it how to do, and we'll start the exercise 5.5. So let's see. Here the question number 1 is given in your book. Question number 5 point that exercise 5.5, that is question number 1, it's given 3, 4. So we have to find out their LCM by the multiples, listing the multiples, students. So 3 and 4 both are the co-prime number, as you know. So multiple of 3 we look at first. Here the multiple of 3 you know how to do. 3 into 1, then it's coming 3 into 2, which is coming 6, then 3 into 3, it's 9, then 3 into 4, it's 12, 4, 12. Same way we will do it. 3 I have listed here, you can see 3, 6, 9, 12, the next 15, 18, 21, it's like it's coming. So same way, if we find out the multiple of 4, it's 4, 8, 12, then 4 4 is 6, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. Same way we can find out so many, but I have here find out this much only, and we have got. Then now we have to look what is, students, here the common multiples. You can look here. From the 4 we'll start, we'll check it's there or not. 4 is here but it is not there, so 8 is also here but it is not in the multiple of 3. So next which is coming, that is 12, but 12 is a multiple of 3 also, you can look. So that means this is the least, it's coming first, so it is the least common multiple. So if we'll find same way, so many we can get here. Like if you see here, so students, if you look, first is coming 12, then which is coming after, if I find next one, that 3 8 is 24. So it's both is here, so it's what are the common multiple, 12 and 24. So same way we can find any other also, but the first is which is coming, that is 12. So the first common multiple will be the least, and it is the less. So we have to look the less number or least number, that is the 3 common multiple. First is 12, so therefore the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. And I have discussed this one in the property of LCM. There I have given the last example. If the numbers are co-prime, then the product of the numbers will be the LCM. See here, 3 and 4 both are the co-prime number, that's why the LCM will be their product. You can see 3 into 4, it will be 12. That this is the LCM. Okay, so I think this is clear to now. Same way we'll do the next one. E number I have taken here 5, 15. So multiple of 5 we have found it here, the multiple of 5. Then next whatever we have to, which one we have to find, the multiple of 15. So I need to write here, that's I have written 15. Then next is coming 30, then 15 3 45, then 16. Same way we can find so many. Now the first common multiple of 5 and 15, which is coming here, we have to look that you can see here 15. So both the cases 15 is there, it's coming first, and so we can find rest other also here. This see 30, 30, these are the common, but we will have to look only the least one. So this is the least 15, so that means the first common multiple of 5 and 15 is 15. So LCM will be the 5 and 15 is 15. Okay, so students, next I have taken the question number 1, I number. That's 3 numbers are given, 6, 12, 18. So at first what we have to do, we have to find the multiple of the numbers. So first of all I have written here multiples of 6, that listed I have the state the multiple. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, then 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, then 6 5 is 13, then 6 6 is 36. Same way we can find so many. I have written this much only, as we have got on the common multiple. So now you can see the multiple of 12, which is coming 12, then is 24, then 36, 48, so we can find out. And you can find more also. The multiple of 18, which is coming 18, then 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54. Now if you look the among the three this number, the which is coming first common multiple, that is 36 36. Here 24 is also there, 24 is also there, 12 also there, 12 also, but it is not there in this case. And 18 is here and it is multiple of 18 also, but it is not the 18 is not the multiple of 12, so we cannot write it the least common multiple, as it should be in among the all three numbers. So 36 is coming all the three numbers, so it is the first common multiple of 6 12 18 is 36. That means the least or LCM of 6 12 18 is 36. Okay, I hope this is clear to you now how to do. Now we'll move to another method, that is LCM by prime factorization method. Okay children, now this concept is known to you already, that how to find the prime factorization of a number. In LCM we have done, so LCM also will, at first we will find the prime factorization. So what you have to do, by prime, for the prime factorization we need to divide at first to get the prime numbers or prime factors. Okay, so here I have taken two numbers like 20 and 15. So 20, if we'll see 20 as test of divisibility 0, that means it will be divided by the 2, and as we have to start the division process by the least prime number, so it's 2 is the least prime number, so we'll divide it by 2, and 20 divided by 2 will get 10 as a quotient. So now 10 divided by 2, what we'll get here, the 5, and 5 divided by 5 equal to quotient, we will get here 1. Okay, the same way if we'll see here 15 as the 15 here, so this is not, as the last digit or unit digit is 5, it is not divisible by 2, so we cannot divide it the this prime number by 2. So next, which is coming after 2, the prime number, it's coming 3. So we have to look, or we need to check is this divisible by 3 or not. So you can see here students, 1 and plus 5 6, and already you know that 15 is divisible by 3, so 6 also divisible by 3. So now we'll divide it 3 by 3. If we'll divide, so 3 5 ja 15. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5. Fine children, now by prime factorization we have 22 into 2 into 5. This all we have to write here same this way, and 15 we will write here 3 into 5. 1 we will not write here. Okay, and now LCM will be what students, the at first we have to look the common number. So common which is here among these two numbers, between these two numbers, 5 is common here. Common means it should be in both the numbers. So 5 is a factor of 20 also and 15 also, both. So we'll write here 1 5. Now which is coming here, then next 2 times, so we have to write 2 times 2 down, which is here the which number, the 3. So now we'll multiply all the, that means in except what we have done, only we have to check that common factor, but here in LCM both the common and remaining numbers also. Okay, so 2 into 2 4 and 3, the next is coming 5, so 12 5 ja 4 into 3 12 5 ja 16. Okay, I have this is clear to now, and if you can do it the divide by without the test of divisibility, but as it is the 15 only. But if it is a larger number, then you have to follow the rules how I have mentioned just now. Okay, so students, our question exercise 5.5, that question number 2 is find the LCM of each of the following group of numbers by prime factorization. So I have taken the question number D is 56 and 196. So these are the given numbers. We'll have to find out the first the prime number, prime factor. So how we'll do it, 56 we'll divide it with the prime numbers. So 56 as the 6, you can see is divisible by 2, and this prime number is 2, so we'll start the division process by 2. So if 56 divided by 2, we will get 28 as a quotient, so we'll write here Now 28 divided by 2 we will get 14. So 14. Now 14 divided by 2 we will get here 7. So 7 divided by 7 we will get here 1 as a quotient. Okay. Now 196, this also we have to find out. So this is also 6, so it will be divisible by 2. Fine. So what we have to do, we have to divide it by 2 at first. We'll check it's divisible or not. So 2 9 18, if you see here 196, you can do 2 9 then 18, then 1 6, so 9 2 8 16, so it's completely divisible by 90. So what will be the quotient here? 98. At 9, this one will write here. Okay. Now it will divide it by 2, if we will get here 49. So and 49 is the multiple of 7. 7 7 49. Okay, as it is not the multiple of 5 or 2 3. Okay, so 7 1 7. Now we have got this prime factorization. So 56 means we can write here this all the number 2 into 2 2, then 7. Now 196 we will write here 2 into 2 7 into 7. Okay, so all we will write. See here students, all the common numbers among these 2 2 and 2. So this for these 2 we will write here 1 1 2. Then for this next this 2 we will write here 1 2. Now you can look, the 7 is common between these two numbers, so 7 will write here 1 7. Now which is remaining number? This 2, so we'll write here this 2 also, and this 7 also will write. Okay, but one thing I am saying you, that is the another you can check. See here, if in 196 156 and 196, how many times are coming this 2? What are the factors here? 2 and 7 is coming. So how many maximum number you can check here, how many times it's coming? Maximum 2 is maximum here, 1 2 2 times, or here it is 3 times. So 2 is coming in 56 is 3 times, and 196 is 2 times. Now 7, you can see 7 how many times it's coming? It's a number of times. Okay, so 1 2 number of times, it's repeating number of times. Okay, we have to look the repeating or maximum number of time, maximum. Okay, so 2 is coming 1 2 3 times here, but here 196 2 times, and 7 it's 1 time, but in 196 is coming 2 times. So now you can look here students, so maximum is coming, 2 is in maximum appears 3 times, and 7 2 times. So 2 is maximum appears, this 2 is maximum, these are the factors. Okay, so 2 maximum appears 3 times, and 7 maximum appears 2 times. So we'll write the 3 2 here, and we'll write 7 2 here. Okay, this is 7 2 times. Just we have to look, if you have doubt how to write the common numbers and those are not common, that numbers how you can write, then you can check what are the maximum appearing number of times may appears in the both the cases, that one you can write. Okay, now so 2 into 2 into 2 it's 8. Now 7 into 7 49. So after multiplying we have got here 392. Okay children, now we'll do here one thing, that next I have taken the H number. Okay, 120, then 144, 160. Okay, these are the numbers. So 120, after I have done there this word prime factorization. There also 144 I have done. This is 160, you can look, and I think this is concept is clear to you now how to find this division way. Okay, so 120 means we can write here 2 how many times? 3 times, and 3 1 times, then 5. Next this one you can write all this we have written here, 2 4 times, and 3 2 times. Now 160 means here 5 times we will write here 2, and 5 will be 1 time. So maximum number of 2 is there, how many? You can look 5 times. So 5, this 5 times 2 will write here. X will come only because these all will come. You can see here, these all will come, this 2 and these 2 and these 2, this all will come, but along with these 2 more, this 2 also will come. So together we can write here 5 2, as 3 2 is already common to all the numbers, and next 2 also it will be common. Now which one we have to look here, the see Tree is here, but it is not there, so we have to this tree, among this tree two, we'll write one tree, and this tree will write, and a 5 also here, it is 5, then 5, so 2 5 among, we'll write here 1 5, and tree is there, this tree. So after multiplying, we have got here, you can look here, if you 2 5 you multiply, you will get here 32 into, then 9 into 5, if we multiply, we will get here 1440. Okay, children? So I think the concept of LCM by prime factorization is clear to you now, and the rest of the sum can be solved by you. I hope that, and thank you, students.